And you see at the hatchway the 4 departing Crew 9 crew members posing for some final photos. Once again, we're in a brief handover between satellites that provide the downlink TV capability from the station. We'll be regaining that downlink TV. And now inside Dragon, you see Butch Wilmore on the far left. In the center of your screen, Alexander Gorbanov. Nick Hague on the far right. They will settle into their respective seats aboard Freedom as countdown clocks here in Mission Control are ticking backward toward the time of the command